You ready?
Yeah. Daddy, how do we start it?
What?
I said, how do we start
All right, go ahead.
Welcome back to my channel.
What are we doing today?
We are just putting training wheels on that dirt bike.
Okay, these are the training wheels. Can you show me your dirt bike? Show me your dirt bike. Go over there. Show me. So why are we putting training wheels on there? Why are we putting training wheels on it?
So I can stop falling off.
Stop falling off. I don't think you fell off. Sit on it. I think you're just a little too short. Sit on the right, on the seat.
See?
Put your feet down. Too short. It's a little bit too short right now. All right. Well, let's get your training wheels on. We'll be back when it's done. Here, put this one in there. Put it in here. That'll work. That's it. Now let's do the other side. I'm gonna try to pull this one up. Straight up.
You ready?
Yeah. Daddy, how do we start it?
What?
I said,
Pull it up. Right here. Pull this up. Put your foot under here. Put your foot under there. Let go. All right. Go ahead. Fill it up again. Okay, go ahead. Slow down. Go slow. So where you going? Go ahead. All right. All right, go ahead and stop. Use your brakes. Cut it off. Cut it off with this button, remember? Cut it off. Cut it off. Yep. Awesome job. All right, come on, let's go in.
But you can't leave my bike out.
I won't leave it out. I got it.